Turmeric and Ginger Tea for anti-inflammation. This warm, comforting drink is more than just a tasty beverage. It's a powerful tool for your health, offering anti-inflammatory and immune-boosting properties that can significantly enhance your well-being. Over the next few minutes, I'll walk you through why turmeric and ginger are such a dynamic duo, how they work together to combat inflammation, and why a pinch of black pepper makes all the difference. Let's get started by taking a closer look at the key player in this tea: turmeric. Turmeric has long been celebrated in traditional medicine, particularly in Ayurveda and traditional Chinese medicine. Its vibrant yellow color comes from curcumin, a powerful bioactive compound responsible for turmeric's incredible benefits. Turmeric is renowned for its anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation can contribute to many health issues, including arthritis, heart disease, and even cancer. Curcumin works by blocking inflammatory molecules in the body, effectively reducing inflammation. It doesn't stop there. Turmeric is also a potent antioxidant, neutralizing free radicals that cause oxidative stress, which damages cells and accelerates aging. By protecting your body at a cellular level, turmeric helps you stay healthier for longer. Beyond its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects, turmeric also supports immune function. By regulating immune cells, it helps your body fight off illness, making it an excellent ally during cold and flu season or for managing autoimmune conditions. However, there's one small hurdle. Curcumin isn't easily absorbed by the body. But don't worry, I'll share a simple solution for that in just a bit. Now let's talk about ginger, turmeric's perfect partner. Ginger has been used medicinally for centuries, and for good reason. Its distinctive spicy flavor comes from compounds like gingerol, chagal, and zingerone, which are also responsible for its health benefits. One of ginger's standout qualities is its anti-inflammatory power. It reduces inflammation in ways similar to turmeric, making it a fantastic natural remedy for conditions like osteoarthritis. Many people find relief from joint pain and stiffness simply by incorporating ginger into their diets. Ginger is also well known for its ability to support digestion. It can reduce bloating, ease nausea, and promote gut health, a critical factor in managing overall inflammation. And let's not forget that ginger is an antioxidant powerhouse. Like turmeric, it fights oxidative stress, helping your cells stay healthy and reducing inflammation at its root. When combined, turmeric and ginger enhance each other's effects, creating a synergy that makes them even more effective than when used alone. Now, here's the secret ingredient that takes this tea to the next level: black pepper. You see, curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, has low bioavailability, meaning your body doesn't absorb it well on its own. That's where black pepper steps in. Black pepper contains a compound called piperine, which boosts curcumin absorption by up to 2,000%. It slows down curcumin's metabolism in the liver, allowing it to stay in your bloodstream longer. Just a pinch of black pepper in your turmeric and ginger tea ensures you get the maximum benefit from curcumin. So what happens when you combine turmeric, ginger, and black pepper in a tea? You get a drink with an array of health benefits. This tea is a natural remedy for reducing swelling and stiffness, especially for those with arthritis or other inflammatory joint conditions. Both turmeric and ginger strengthen your immune system, making this tea perfect during cold and flu season. Ginger soothes the digestive system, while turmeric helps balance your gut microbiome, easing bloating and indigestion. The anti-inflammatory effects of this tea reduce inflammation in blood vessels, lower cholesterol, and promote healthy blood pressure. Whether you're dealing with the aftermath of a tough workout or managing a chronic condition, this tea helps your body find balance and reduce inflammation. Now, let's talk about how to make this incredible tea. The recipe is simple, and you can adjust it to suit your taste. 1 teaspoon of fresh grated turmeric, or 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric powder. 1 teaspoon of fresh grated ginger. A pinch of black pepper. 2 cups of water. Optional, honey or lemon for flavor. Bring the water to a boil in a small pot. Add the turmeric and ginger, then reduce the heat to let it simmer for about 10 minutes. Strain the tea into your favorite mug and stir in a pinch of black pepper. For extra flavor, add a teaspoon of honey or a squeeze of lemon. Enjoy this tea daily, whether you're starting your morning or winding down in the evening. While turmeric and ginger tea is generally safe, it's important to keep a few things in mind. If you're new to turmeric or ginger, start with small amounts to see how your body reacts. If you're on blood-thinning medications, consult your doctor before drinking this tea, as both turmeric and ginger have blood-thinning properties. Pregnant individuals should limit ginger intake to avoid any potential side effects. In conclusion, turmeric and ginger tea is much more than just a delicious drink. It's a natural remedy with the power to reduce inflammation, support immunity, and promote overall well-being. By adding black pepper, you unlock the full potential of curcumin, ensuring your body absorbs all its benefits. Why not give it a try? A warm cup of turmeric and ginger tea could be just what your body needs to feel balanced and energized. Thank you for joining me today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural health tips. Until next time, take care and happy sipping.